In this video, I'll show you how to get USDT ERC20 address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now head over to your Trust Wallet, click on this Manage Crypto. Go on here, type in USDT. So USDT ERC20 is USDT Ethereum, right? So if someone tells you to send him or her your USDT ERC20 address, what you're going to send the person is this token. I'll scroll down. So this is it, USDT Ethereum. This is what you're going to send the person. This is what is your USDT. This is what is your USDT ERC20, right? Click on this. Once I clicked on it, go back, then click on it, then you click the receive to copy your wallet address and send to the person. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.